gotta go get me some Gatorade. It's another warm day here in central Iowa. Not real sure what the temperature is right now. It feels very warm. It was supposed to be cloudy all day today. Looks like we might have a few clouds slowly rolling in here, but it's been sunny for the most part this morning. And it's heating up, so I need something to drink. I don't have any Gatorade, don't have any water. Have coffee, but that's not gonna work for me in the afternoon. Well, got my Gatorade and changed my shirt. And the reason I changed my shirt, gonna get back to work here on the Bronco and gonna do a little welding. Really didn't want to put any holes in that shirt. This shirt I don't care about. And I got the fan going back here. Jesse was laying down in front of the fan. Starting to get a little toasty in here. But nevertheless, gonna start cutting out some patches for all these holes I made. Okay, so I've got this piece cut out and I've been test fitting it up in the wheel well a little bit. It has kind of a complex bend that has to be put on it. Couldn't get it to fit quite right, holding it in with magnets and so forth. I'm pretty sure if I clean up all these edges and put some tack welds around it, and then I can hammer the other side into place where it needs to be, I believe. So I'm going to give that a shot. I think it's going to work. Okay, so I got the patch cut out of here, which I traced this one to get this, and then I put it in the Bronco, which I didn't show welding this in. I started to, and I'm just not going to show that. My welding skills today they're not very good. And I'm not sure why. I don't know if I have my settings wrong or what. Every once in a while I'll get a good weld in there, and other times I blow through it and things just aren't going right. But got this patch started in here, and the way you got to do this is just one every so often, let it cool down, or this metal will want to expand and warp on you. I got a pretty big gap right up there. I think I can fill it in. I did right here, and I think if I build off of that, I can get this closed up. It's going to be kind of a pain, but probably easier than trying to cut out a new patch and fit in there. So I know it doesn't look very good right now, and when I get it, I'm going to do these little spot welds all the way around this thing, and then grind them all down, and then we'll put some body filler over this. It'll look pretty decent. But gotta keep doing that. Gotta do that to the one up front here. Same thing over here up front, and then this huge patch over here. This is probably gonna be 2, maybe 3 patches over here. Probably gonna do one right up on top where that little notch is right there, and probably gonna fill that in, then try to do this back here. Problem is, it gets into kind of a complex curve back here. It bends and twists around. So you got to hammer it into place, and whatever. I mean, it's the wheel well. I suppose it'll be visible if the top is off. But at the same time, we're going to put body filler over the top of all this, and then we're also going to put some kind of a, at least the thought is right now, some kind of a rubberized spray coating over this whole back end. So hopefully that'll cover up any imperfections. Main thing is that we have solid metal back there, and that we will have. May not be the prettiest, but... So I'm going to keep working on this, and also the one up in front, that side. I'm not going to draw this out like I did the floor up on the driver's side here. That took a long time, and I think there was 3 or 4 videos at least on that, and I think it got drawn out way too long. And I don't want to do that again. I want to get this done, and then we're going to move back to here. Hopefully Obsessed Garage can find me this part. If not, I'll figure it out. We'll get this all pieced together. I know some people that do some metal work, and maybe we can get some things fabricated up. And then once we get all this done and attached, got to do these sides. I'm going to coat these sides with probably this rust bullet stuff. I've had this on here now for probably a couple of months, and nothing is coming through. It seems to be doing really good. I have a lot of it left, so probably going to sand these down a little bit and then put this rust bullet on it and cover these sides. That'll make it look a lot better right there. And then we've got these quarter panels. I think these are the 2 good ones. One of these has a dent in it somewhere. I think it's that one back there. But we'll get the quarter panels, we'll get them mounted up and get the door frames all painted up, front fenders on, and she'll start turning around looking pretty good. Not sure what I'm going to do with the floor up here. If I need to paint the floor or not. It's going to be all covered up with either carpet or a rubber coating or something, so don't think it's terribly important. Might sand down some of this kind of stuff, which it's just surface rust. You can sand this down, you'll get to bare metal like real quick. So that's what I'm working on right now. And like I said, going to get this all finished up real quick. Kind of nice that we have Bronco metal going back into the Bronco. Do want to say before I go, I haven't had anybody send in any license plates for the license plate wall here recently. So if you have a license plate or anything else for that matter that you'd like to send into the Fox shop, address is down in the description. Have, however, been going through some channel stickers lately. But if you would like a channel sticker or I'm not wearing one right now, a t-shirt, hoodie, I think there's some other stuff in there as well. If you want any of that kind of stuff, links down below. So we're making some progress on the Bronco, even though it's rather warm down here right now. I had somebody ask me in the comments on the last video what color I'm going to paint the Bronco. So if you're not up to speed on what's going on here, or if you're new, Ford Grabber Blue is going to be the color of the Bronco. Might be some black mixed in there somewhere. Red would even look pretty cool, I think. So with that being said, I just got off the phone with my buddy over at Central Oregon Shenanigans. They're starting to put up some videos again. They've been pretty busy with work and everything and haven't really been uploading a lot lately. But here the last couple of days they've put up some videos and they have some new stuff coming out. I'll link them down below. I'd go check them out, Central Oregon Shenanigans. So with all that being said, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.